Hello everyone, Teacher Kevin here from the Speak English with Kevin podcast. Great to be with you today. Just a quick few minutes on the whiteboard, trying to get that Ielts level, that language development up. So along with the podcast on Sunday, now we do a little whiteboard work through the week. Good extra training. Let's get with it today. Today we're talking about synonyms. Synonyms. Now, what is a synonym? Synonyms are words that are spelled different, look different, but mean almost the same thing, okay? So we have 10 of them today. Let's take a look. First one, advantage. Advantage, okay? What is the advantage of that? What is the advantage of that? And the synonym, benefit. Benefit. What is the benefit of that? What is the benefit of that? So you see the similarity, although they look and are spelled different, they mean nearly the same. That's a synonym. Number two, disadvantage. Disadvantage or drawback. Drawback. That plan had a lot of disadvantages, okay? That plan had a lot of disadvantages. That plan had a number of drawbacks. That plan had a number of drawbacks, okay? Same. Number three, important. Important. This is a very important lesson. This is a very important lesson. Synonym, crucial. Crucial. We could say this is a crucial lesson. This is a very crucial lesson. Okay, synonym. Four, difficult. Difficult. The job he faced was very difficult. The job he faced was very difficult. Synonym, challenging. Challenging. The job he faced was very challenging. The job he faced was very challenging. Okay? Five, good. Good. It was a good party. It was a good party. Synonym, excellent. Excellent. It was an excellent party. It was an excellent party. Number six, bad. Bad. That was a bad idea. That was a bad idea. Synonym, poor. Poor. That was a poor idea. That was a poor idea. Next, number seven, problem. Problem. Once they got started, they had a real problem. Once they got started, they had a real problem. Synonym, issue. Issue. Once they got started, they had a real issue. Once they got started, they had a real issue. Very good. Number eight, solution. Solution. So, in our problems today, what is the solution? So in our problems today, what is the solution? Synonym, resolution. Resolution. So in our problems today, what is the resolution? So in our problems today, what is the resolution? Good. Number nine, strong. Strong. He was very strong. He was very strong. Synonym, robust. Robust. He was very robust. He was very robust. Very good. And the last one, number 10, weak. Weak. His condition has gotten very weak. His condition had gotten very weak. Synonym, fragile. Fragile. His condition has gotten very fragile. His condition has gotten very fragile. So you can see that synonyms also maybe we can use them sometimes to make us appear more affluent or appear more intelligent just because of how the word sounds. For the example, good, I would rather hear excellent, okay? Disadvantage, I think drawback's a better word. I think drawback's a better word, okay? So this is just some of the things you can see with synonyms. Very important. We'll cover them some more later, But for now, just wanted to come to you real quick with a whiteboard. Be sure and listen to my podcast on Sundays, the Speak English with Kevin podcast. And then periodically through the week, I'll be throwing these whiteboards up for you to look at so you can gain some extra knowledge, okay? So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time.